Hi everyone, welcome to the all summer long collaboration. This month our theme was palm trees and our optional color was coral. Now when I read that, I took it to mean initially coral, like the subject matter. So I was looking through my summary papers and I have coral in this one, and I have coral in this one, but you know what? I don't have any palm trees in any of my papers that I could find. So I remember I have Timeless Tropical, which is current. It's carried over into the current annual catalog, and it has palm trees. So my initial thinking also was, I'll make some things I can use as earring cards, and I'll make coral earrings. I may still do that, but I decided not to do it for this channel. I don't want to get too much jewelry going on this channel, because I have a second channel, Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, for all my jewelry stuff. So I just decided to make two tags, and these are thick basic white paper. I stamped the trees in Evening Evergreen Stampin' Up! Ink. Then I took my blending brush and I used one of them. I used my Coastal Cabana ink because that seemed tropical, right? And then this Aloha is in the dies that go with that. There's no stamp that says Aloha, but there is a word die in the coordinating dies. So, and those are called In the Tropics dies. So I die cut them out of Coastal Cabana. I'm sorry, Calypso Coral, see? And then I didn't have any Calypso Coral ribbon, but what I did is I took the last strip I had on this crinkled seam binding ribbon, and it's Whisper White, and I took the Coastal Cabana, I keep saying the wrong thing, and that's the wrong marker anyway, the Calypso Coral Light alcohol marker Stampin' Blend, and I rubbed it down the whole length of the ribbon. Then I cut that ribbon in two, and then that made enough for both these tags in light Calypso Coral. And I had one more thing I was going to do, and that is we have some initially I was thinking I don't want to put anything up here because I don't want to put anything there because I might use that for earring cards, right? So I believe these are what I have left of my Calypso Coral color, but I have a couple in Coastal Cabana too. So let's just use a couple. Maybe we'll just use these. So I'm not positive. And there is a hair. I don't know if it's my hair or the cat's hair, but there's a hair stuck to it. There we go. Anyway, I think we'll just use one. Well, actually on one of these it's going to get two because I want to get rid of that pack. That sheet. So there, I think that's what I'll do is just leave it at that. A little bling on there. Aloha. No clue what I'm going to use these for unless I still decide to use them for earring cards. Or maybe I'll just use them as a tag to go with a pair of earrings to someone, right? You know, a little gift or something. And maybe those earrings will be made out of coral. So we shall see. Alright everyone, that is all I have this month. I'm so sorry. It's not a whole lot, but it meets the theme requirement and it's something different than cards, and yeah, so there you have it. Alright guys, talk to you soon, and until next month, have a great July and part of August. Alright, bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.